Hey SnapFlash fam! The high-profile corruption case of Botswana's former permanent secretary to the president, Carter Morupisi, has taken a dramatic twist. Courtroom tensions are soaring as the state calls for Justice Kebonang to step down due to conflict of interest claims. Let's break it all down. Why is the judiciary under scrutiny, and what's next for Morupisi in this unfolding legal drama? Stick around to find out. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest updates on Botswana's top stories. The latest development in Morupisi's case revolves around a motion filed by the state to have Justice Kebonang removed from overseeing the proceedings. The argument? Alleged conflict of interest stemming from a donation to Kebonang's brother by Capital Management Botswana, the entity central to Morupisi's corruption charges. With the court set to rule tomorrow, tensions are high as a decision could delay or reshape the case entirely. Currently serving a 7-year prison sentence, Morupisi is challenging the recent Court of Appeal ruling that increased his sentence. He claims the judgment was politically influenced, citing comments by President Duma Boko on corruption, which he argues undermined judicial independence.
The main application is about it's a constitutional challenge against the decision of the Court of Appeal, wherein Justice Wali made reference to the remarks by the President of the Republic that he would want to see an end to corruption. Then our complaint is simple. Our complaint is that as a judge, it's impermissible to make reference to political sentiments in sentencing a person. And our argument is simply this, that this would violate the fair trial rights of the accused person. If you then make reference to extraneous considerations which are not really relevant in purpose of determining what the suitable punishment should be, and that is a very grave misdirection which completely vitiates the discretion of the Court of Appeal in sentencing Mr. Morupisi. Therefore, our view is that that sentence must be quashed. I know that many people are interested in knowing whether the High Court can quash a sentence imposed by the Court of Appeal. I don't know too. The High Court, he will decide whether we are right or wrong, but we have a very strong view that we are correct, that they have the power to quash that sentence.
In October, the Court of Appeal panel overruled his initial suspended sentence and fine of 130,000 pula, calling it a miscarriage of justice. The court deemed an immediate custodial sentence necessary, given the gravity of the crimes. Morupisi's troubles began in 2021 when he was convicted on charges related to the misuse of 500 million pula from the Botswana Public Officers Pension Fund. The case centered on his involvement with CMB and the acquisition of a luxury Toyota Land Cruiser. Despite his initial lenient sentencing, his appeal for clemency backfired, leading to the harsher Court of Appeal judgment. Justice Kebonang's recusal could have far-reaching implications. If granted, it would likely result in a new judge being assigned, further delaying Morupisi's urgent appeal to overturn his conviction.
But what happens is that there's been an interlocutory or an intermediate application in which the Attorney General of the DPP are challenging the composition of the court. In particular, they are objecting to the sitting of Judge Kebonang as a member of the bench. And the grounds of their objection to Kebonang's sitting are that Judge Kebonang's brother, namely Sadiq Kebonang, at one point received financial donation from CMB. And because of that relationship of him being the brother to the judge, uncomfortable to the judge sitting. Just that by reason of them being brothers, and nothing more really.
The judiciary's independence is also under the spotlight. Critics are questioning whether political influence is undermining Botswana's legal system, a concern amplified by Morupisi's claims and the state's push for recusal. This case isn't just about Morupisi, it's about Botswana's fight against corruption, and the public's trust in the justice system. With allegations of political interference and judicial bias, the outcome could set significant precedents for the nation. As Morupisi's saga unfolds, all eyes are on tomorrow's court ruling and the broader implications for Botswana's democracy. What do you think, SnapFlash fam? Are justice and politics colliding in this case? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Keep questioning and stay informed.